You little psycho! Squish!
I just laid the wire down to let them through.
The ground is lava, the wire is a snake, and cows have absolutely zero.
They're besties. This is so funny.
You're so cute! You look so like...
It's a scheduled meeting. They're probably discussing the neighborhood squirrel gossip. Standoff. Neither side wants to blink first. The piglet thinks he's a wolf, and the dog is just happy to act along. Ever tried the socks on break method? It's the Great Nanny's safety technique. When they're together, your security deposit doesn't stand a chance.
Wally. Goodness gracious.
Just stop. Just stop doing it. You're going to drive me crazy.
Sorry I annoyed you with my friendship.
It's like a pro.
Careful! Oh, she loves him!
Folks, I'm glad we found the perfect recipe for perfect Sunday. This is just a Disney movie that hasn't been edited yet. This looks like the start of a heist planning movie. Big Doggo is acting as an airport security scanner. Folks, I'm glad we found the perfect recipe for perfect Sunday. Woman, you are no longer an owner, you are a structural support beam. Day 12. The human still thinks we are a rare furry species of fern. Best therapist in the world, and he only charges in ear scratches.
Her bottom feet jumped?
This little bird hid from a bigger bird and suddenly became a bull rider. The dogs went undercover so deep they forgot to be the managers.
There you go, buddy.
When the drama strikes, don't tell him the opposite.
Don't do it! Don't! Don't! Thank you. Don't. Don't pick on.
Whoa! That puppy is playing a very dangerous game of tag.
Baby!
Guess who is having a midlife crisis? The shepherd. Someone's clearly more into the mat than the baby.
Чего вы тут делаете? Ой, не могу. У вас такая любовь с персиком.
Okay, no, gentle.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, we're looking at the world's most unlikely animal besties.
Oh, goodness.
Welcome. Welcome to your first lesson in the...
The chickens keep laying eggs under the duck. Hi, Jade. Do I have to retrieve the chicken eggs? Tim?
The rabbit believes the crow is the wise wizard. They're on a fantasy quest. Human, you are destroying my architectural masterpiece. In a group, the win.
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Billy, careful!
Doggo is currently processing the glitch in the Matrix.
Doorbeeld ik, maat.
Zet zo met hem.
This is so good!
Mommy needs to see me. That's it. You can see. Or you won't be our dog anymore.
Wow. Goodness gracious.
Guinea fowls are naturally territorial and loud, so this is just so sweet.
You're having feelings?
By cleaning the boy, the dog is officially claiming him as a pack member. He's got the warrior spirit, but a safety-first evacuation plan. That level of patience deserves a medal or a very large steak.
Noodle, she's asleep. Don't do it! Don't! Don't! Thank you. Don't! Don't pick on.
They're calling for you. No, you can't get back. No, don't get back on the bus.
Whoa! That puppy is playing a very dangerous game of tag.
What are you guys doing over there looking all trouble-ish? Are you guys looking like troublemakers?
I leave to go to LA and I come back to 4 new turkeys. These are all wild turkeys that showed up on our property. Now, watch this. Ready?
Best therapist in the world, and he only charges in ear scratches.
Her bottom feet jumped?
Just sit on me, Maggie, or head's too heavy.
Open your eyes.
Okay, no, gentle.
Men Gunnar! Var är då min häst?
Just stop. Stop. Just stop doing it. You're going to drive me crazy.
Sorry I annoyed you with my friendship.
It's like a pro. Today we're watching big dogs become the sweetest babysitters. Let's go! That rabbit has clearly convinced that he is just a short-eared puppy. One is at 2 times speed, while the other is still stuck on the loading screen.
Hi, Alex.
Can't believe you said that. ¿Qué hacen acá ustedes dos? Oh my gosh, I didn't see you.
Sir, your earmuffs are a bit chewy today. Baby didn't order a facial wash, but I guess it's necessary.
So I'm out here doing a home inspection and have to check an electrical panel. I am having an issue that I've never had before.
Somebody tell Donnie that this is not a great time for bonding.
He is. He's gonna have to stop doing that so I can do my work.
Put herself up here with her front paws. from the ladder. She climbed on the ladder.
Oh my god.
Why buy a Tempur-Pedic when you have...
Capone, what are you doing up there, buddy? Huh?
This is why you're supposed to stay close.
Hey!
Doggo is currently processing the glitch in the Matrix. You can see her spirit leaving her body.
Kind of like laughing. I think she's laughing. Is this funny?
Forget Babe.
Capone, what are you doing up there, buddy? Huh?
One is at 2 times speed, while the other is still stuck on the loading screen. Dog is like, she is the only news anchor I trust.
Dale un beso a Dios.
Dale un besito. Una caricia, Feli. Feli, una caricia.
When they're together, your security deposit doesn't stand a chance. The fashion police literally stripped that pony of his dignity and his coat.
Noodle, she's asleep.
Billy, careful!
This looks like the start of a heist planning movie. Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, we're looking at the world's most unlikely animal besties.